Oil refineries can have several disadvantages when located near residential areas. Here are some of the common concerns. 1. Air pollution. Refineries emit various pollutants, including volatile organic compounds, VOCs, sulfur dioxide, nitrogen oxides, particulate matter, and greenhouse gases. These emissions can lead to poor air quality, which poses health risks to nearby residents. Long-term exposure to pollutants may increase the incidence of respiratory problems, cardiovascular diseases, and certain cancers. 2. Noise pollution. Refineries are noisy industrial facilities, with heavy machinery, compressors, and flaring operations generating significant noise levels. This continuous noise can disrupt the tranquility of residential areas, causing annoyance, sleep disturbances, and reduced quality of life for residents. 3. Odor and chemical releases. The refining process often releases strong odors that can be unpleasant and disruptive to daily life. The odor may originate from the storage and handling of petroleum products, as well as from accidental spills or leaks. Additionally, in rare cases, industrial accidents or equipment failures can result in the release of hazardous chemicals, leading to immediate health risks and potential long-term environmental damage. 4. Health and safety risks. Refineries involve complex industrial processes that come with inherent risks. Accidents, fires, explosions, and toxic releases can occur, posing immediate danger to nearby communities. While stringent safety measures and emergency response protocols are typically in place, the proximity of residential areas increases the potential impact on human lives and property. 5. Reduced property values. The presence of an oil refinery near residential areas can significantly affect property values. Many people may be reluctant to live near industrial sites due to the associated pollution and safety concerns. Consequently, property prices may decline, making it harder for residents to sell their homes or secure loans. 6. Environmental impact. Oil refineries consume large amounts of water and energy, and their operations contribute to greenhouse gas emissions, climate change, and the depletion of natural resources. Furthermore, the disposal of waste byproducts, such as sludges, can lead to soil and water contamination, impacting local ecosystems and potentially affecting the health of residents. 7. Community perception and image. Living near an oil refinery can create negative perceptions of the area. The presence of industrial facilities may deter businesses from establishing themselves nearby, limiting economic development opportunities. Additionally, residents may experience a sense of stigmatization, feeling that their well-being is undervalued compared to other communities. To mitigate these disadvantages, regulatory bodies often establish guidelines and standards to monitor emissions, enforce safety measures, and mitigate the impact on surrounding communities. However, the proximity of refineries to residential areas can still pose significant challenges and risks. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel if you find this video useful. Thank you and see you again.